news! Your KYC incentive has moved from 1 month to 3 months. In addition to 50 Naira KYC incentive, you will now get a 3 months revenue share incentive. This can grow your incentive by up to 60% or more. For example, your total incentive can move from 5,000 Naira to 8,000 Naira. Please note, this new revenue share incentive is linked to the customer's usage of the SIM you registered. So how can you benefit from this new incentive? We have 3 categories of activations. 1. Feature phone. 2. Smartphone. 3. Mobile number portability. Feature phone. For feature phone, you will get 5% of the customer's usage for 3 months if the first time recharge of the customer is 100 Naira. But you can increase it to 10% by making the customer's first time recharge to be a minimum of 200 Naira. So, for example, if a customer does a first time recharge of 100 Naira and the total usage for the month is 400 Naira monthly for 3 months, you will qualify for 5% of 400 Naira monthly for 3 months, which is 20 Naira plus 20 Naira plus 20 Naira, totaling 60 Naira. But you can increase this to 10% if you make the customer's recharge to be a minimum of 200 Naira to double your incentive. Smartphone. For smartphone, you will get 10% of customers' usage for 3 months. You have to ensure SIM is put in slot 1 so as to earn the incentive. If a customer does the first time recharge of 100 Naira and the total usage is 2,000 Naira monthly for 3 months, you will qualify for 10% of 2,000 Naira monthly for 3 months, which is 200 Naira plus 200 Naira plus 200 Naira, totaling 600 Naira. Mobile number portability. For mobile number portability, you will get 10% of customer usage for 3 months, just like that of the smartphone. You have to ensure a minimum of 200 Naira first time recharge is done. Now that you know that incentive is linked to usage, make sure your customers increase their first time recharge above 100 Naira. Put their SIMs in the smartphone's SIM slot 1. Do only compliance registrations. Educate your customers on the benefits of Airtel products and services. All of these will increase their usage and make them stay on the network.